6 ChatGPT app ideas to develop with the new OpenAI GPTs Builder. Welcome to our captivating video presentation highlighting 6 application ideas to explore using the exciting new OpenAI GPTs Builder. In this episode, we will see how small business owners can use OpenAI's GPT Builder to create innovative applications in different industries. We will provide step-by-step instructions for each application and discuss relevant use case scenarios. So, let's dive in. 1. Customer support chatbot for e-commerce. A significant challenge faced by small e-commerce businesses is the ability to effectively handle customer queries and provide round-the-clock support. With OpenAI's GPTs Builder, small business owners can create a chatbot that can handle customer inquiries and provide support 24/7. This application improves customer satisfaction and reduces the workload for business owners. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Define the objectives. Determine the common customer queries and support needs specific to your industry. 2. Collect relevant data. Gather frequently asked questions, product information, troubleshooting guides, and other resources. 3. Fine-tune the model. Train ChatGPT on the collected data using OpenAI's GPT Builder interface to optimize the chatbot's performance. 4. Evaluate and iterate. Test the chatbot extensively, refining its capabilities based on different scenarios and customer feedback. 5. Integrate with your website. Seamlessly deploy the chatbot onto your business website using available chatbot platforms or custom solutions. Use case scenario: imagine you run an online clothing store, and customers frequently ask questions about product sizes, shipping details, and return policies. By training ChatGPT with thoughtfully selected data specifically relevant to your clothing business, you will be able to create an outstanding chatbot that truly stands out. This intelligent assistant will adeptly address customer inquiries, offering precise and valuable solutions. By doing so, it elevates the standard of customer support, all while eliminating the necessity of expanding your workforce. 2. Social media content generator for marketing agencies. Creating engaging social media content can be time-consuming for small marketing agencies. OpenAI's GPT Builder empowers marketing agencies to efficiently generate engaging social media content, enabling them to save valuable time and effort in content creation. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Define the objectives. Identify your target audience, content themes, posting frequency, and key performance indicators, KPIs, for measuring campaign effectiveness. 2. Collect relevant data. Gather information about your business, industry trends, popular hashtags, and successful social media campaigns. 3. Fine-tune the model. To optimize the model, you should train ChatGPT with the gathered data using OpenAI's GPT Builder interface. 3. This will guarantee that it is capable of crafting on-brand social media posts. 4. Evaluate and iterate. Test the generated content extensively, refining it based on quality, relevance, and engagement potential. 5. Automate posting. Schedule posts using social media management tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to streamline content distribution. Use case scenario: let's say you run a marketing agency specializing in travel promotions. Train ChatGPT uses travel-related data to create a powerful social media content generator that provides captivating suggestions for posts about sought-after destinations, undiscovered treasures, and invaluable travel advice. This tool helps your agency consistently share captivating content that appeals to your target audience and enhances brand visibility. 3. Personalized fitness assistant for health and wellness coaches. Health and wellness coaches have a unique opportunity to create a personalized fitness assistant using OpenAI's GPTs Builder. This assistant can expertly guide clients through tailor-made fitness routines, inspire them, and monitor their progress effectively. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Define the objectives. Determine fitness goals, exercise preferences, desired guidance level, and any specific health considerations. 2. Collect pertinent data. Gather exercise routines, fitness tips, motivational quotes, nutritional guidelines, and other valuable resources. 3. Fine-tune the model. To achieve accurate exercise recommendations and motivating messages, it is essential to fine-tune the model. 3. We can accomplish this by leveraging OpenAI's GPT Builder interface to train ChatGPT on the gathered data. 4. Evaluate and refine. Conduct comprehensive testing of the assistant's recommendations, closely observe its capacity to offer valuable guidance, and make adjustments to the methods in accordance with client feedback. 5. Offer individually tailored fitness plans. Deliver custom fitness plans to clients via email or a dedicated app, ensuring convenient access to their personalized workout routines and progress monitoring. Use case scenario: suppose you are a health and wellness coach with multiple clients seeking tailor-made fitness plans. You can create a powerful virtual assistant that empowers clients to achieve their fitness goals and effectively manages a larger client base by training ChatGPT on different exercise routines, nutritional guidelines, and personalized motivational quotes. 4. Financial planning advisor for financial consultants. Financial consultants have the incredible opportunity to utilize OpenAI's GPT Builder in order to craft an artificial intelligence advisor capable of delivering personalized and tailor-made financial planning guidance to their clients. This innovative solution enables consultants to deliver comprehensive financial guidance while efficiently managing a larger client base. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Establish the objectives. Identify clients' financial objectives, risk tolerance, investment preferences, retirement plans, tax considerations, and other relevant factors. 2. Collect relevant data. Gather information on various financial planning strategies, investment opportunities, retirement planning frameworks, tax regulations, market trends, economic indicators, and other valuable resources. 3. Enhance the model. Utilize the GPT Builder interface from OpenAI to train ChatGPT on the gathered data. 3. This will help improve understanding of complex financial concepts, leading to accurate and personalized recommendations for each customer. 4. Evaluate and iterate. Test the advisor's recommendations against different financial scenarios while gathering clients' feedback. 4. Continuously refine the AI model's output for more accurate and valuable financial insights. 5. Offer customized reports. Provide personalized reports that include detailed financial plans, expert investment recommendations, retirement projections, tax optimization strategies, and other essential resources tailored to clients' financial objectives. Use case scenario: imagine you are a financial consultant helping clients plan for their retirement. Train ChatGPT on retirement planning frameworks, investment strategies, tax regulations, and market trends tailored to your client's unique financial circumstances. This will enable you to develop an AI advisor that produces personalized reports containing comprehensive financial plans and expert recommendations. This solution supports your clients in achieving their financial aspirations effectively. 6. Virtual tour guide for travel agencies. Travel agencies can adjust to the increasing travel restrictions and limited mobility by leveraging OpenAI's GPT Builder to develop an exceptional virtual tour guide experience. This application allows agencies to provide immersive experiences to potential travelers, showcasing popular destinations and offering valuable information. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Define the objectives. Determine the destinations to include in the virtual tour guide and gather relevant information about each location. 2. Collect pertinent data. Gather details about tourist attractions, historical facts, local customs, cuisine, climate, and any other information that can enhance the virtual tour experience. 3. Fine-tune the model. Train ChatGPT on the collected data using OpenAI's GPT Builder interface to ensure accurate and engaging narration during the virtual tour. 4. Evaluate and enhance. Test the virtual tour guide extensively, gathering feedback from users to improve the quality of the experience. 5. Deliver virtual tours. Make the virtual tour guide available through a website or dedicated app, allowing users to explore destinations from the comfort of their homes. Use case scenario: imagine you run a travel agency specializing in adventure tourism. Train ChatGPT on adventure destination data to create a virtual tour guide that gives detailed info on activities, safety measures, and equipment needed. With this application, potential travelers can immerse themselves in the thrilling world of adventure tourism without even leaving their homes. It not only gives you a thrilling surge of adrenaline but also acts as a formidable tool for your agency, creating unmatched interest and skyrocketing bookings. 6. Language learning assistant for educational platforms. Educational platforms can maximize their potential by harnessing the power of OpenAI's GPT Builder. With this groundbreaking technology, they can create an exceptional language learning assistant that offers personalized lessons and engaging practice exercises. This application enhances the learning experience for students and enables educational platforms to scale their language courses effectively. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Determine the objectives. Establish the target languages for the language learning assistant and identify the topics, grammar rules, vocabulary, and exercises to be included. 2. Gather relevant data. Compile language learning resources such as textbooks, grammar guides, vocabulary lists, audio recordings, and sample sentences. 3. Fine-tune the model. Use OpenAI's GPT Builder interface to train ChatGPT on the collected data and fine-tune the model. 3. Transforming it into a powerful language learning assistant, which offers engaging interactive lessons and practice exercises for learners, will significantly enhance its capabilities. 4. Evaluate and iterate. Test the language learning assistant with students, gather feedback, and refine its responses and teaching methods. 5. Deliver personalized lessons. Improve your educational platform by integrating a language learning assistant that will deliver personalized lessons. 5. This will allow students to access tailor-made language lessons and receive instant feedback on their progress. Use case scenario: suppose you run an online educational platform offering language courses. ChatGPT should be trained in language learning resources for every course. This creates a language learning assistant. It offers interactive lessons, grammar explanations, vocabulary practice, and pronunciation guidance. This application enhances students' language learning journey by providing personalized support and feedback. There you have it. Thank you for watching our video on 6 application ideas to do with the new OpenAI GPTs Builder. We hope these ideas have inspired you to explore the possibilities and unleash your creativity. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Remember, with OpenAI's GPTs Builder, the only limit is your imagination. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this helpful in understanding how OpenAI's GPTs Builder can be applied in various industries. Stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future. If you develop one of our ideas and become a millionaire, don't forget about us. JK. Until next time.